Turn simple ideas into full animated stories, complete with characters, scenes, and voiceovers using ChatGPT's image model in just hours, not weeks. When generating full animated stories, there are several key components you need, all of which ChatGPT can help with. First, you need a script with well-defined characters. Then, for each scene in your script, you'll need a shot list describing different camera angles. Each shot requires a text-to-image prompt to generate visuals, followed by image-to-video prompts to animate those shots. Finally, for scenes with dialogue, you'll need text for speech generation. Instead of creating these elements separately, I've found a specialized GPT that handles everything at once. But before we dive into that, let me show you a quick preview of what we'll create by the end of this tutorial. A complete animated story with consistent characters across multiple scenes. The beauty of this process is how seamlessly everything connects, from scripting and visual design to animation and voiceover. With the right GPT setup, you can maintain visual consistency, match emotions to dialogue, and pace each scene perfectly. It's fast, intuitive, and surprisingly cinematic. And the best part? No animation background needed. Every great animation starts with a strong script, and that's where the Animation Script Builder GPT comes in. This tool isn't just a writing assistant, it's the backbone of your entire animated story, turning your ideas into a production-ready blueprint. To access it, just open ChatGPT, click on Explore GPTs in the left sidebar, and search for Animation Script Builder by Emmanuel Crown. Once you find it, hit Start Chat. Now, here's where the magic begins. Instead of manually planning every scene and line of dialogue, this GPT does it for you. It doesn't just write your story, it structures it in a way that makes animation simple and seamless. Let's say you give it a basic idea like, write a 3D cartoon animation script about a boy getting ready for school. From there, the GPT jumps into action. It'll ask you a few follow-up questions, like who your characters are and what kind of tone you're going for. You can give detailed answers, or just leave it up to the GPT to make the creative calls. Once that's done, the Animation Script Builder delivers a full breakdown of your animated project. It provides detailed character descriptions to ensure consistency in your visuals. But it doesn't stop there. For every scene in your story it hands you. Instead of bullet points, let's walk through what this means for your animation process. First, you get shot descriptions. These explain what the camera is doing in each moment, helping you visualize the pacing and framing of the scene. Then it gives you text-to-image prompts that you can use to generate still visuals. Next, you'll receive image-to-video prompts that turn those stills into short animations. And finally, you get the actual dialogue that characters will speak, ready for voiceover. Now here's the catch, and it's an important one. While this GPT is fantastic for organizing your project, it's still using an older image generation model. That means the visuals it produces aren't quite as sharp or consistent. So what do? Simple. We take the prompts it gives us and run them through the newest image model in ChatGPT to get studio quality results. Character consistency is one of the biggest challenges in animation. Fortunately, ChatGPT's image generation excels at maintaining consistent appearances across multiple images. Start a new chat in ChatGPT and paste the character descriptions from the Animation Script Builder. Then ask ChatGPT to create an image of your character. Create a front view image of provide character name on a white background 3:2 ratio. The 3:2 aspect ratio gives you a wider image that's closer to standard video formats, which will look more cinematic in your final animation. Save these character images. They'll serve as reference points throughout your project. Whenever you generate a new scene, you can upload these images to remind ChatGPT what your characters look like. If you notice ChatGPT losing consistency in later scenes, simply re-upload your character reference images and ask it to maintain that appearance. This approach not only improves visual continuity, but also saves time when generating complex scenes. By anchoring each character's look early on, you minimize variation and avoid the jarring effect of inconsistent designs. Plus, using reference images helps ChatGPT fine-tune details like outfits, facial expressions, and poses across changing environments. With your characters designed, it's time to create images for each scene in your script. For each shot, use a prompt like, create the image for shot 1:3:2 ratio, and include the text-to-image prompt from your script. The beauty of using ChatGPT for this process is that it remembers the context from previous images, helping maintain consistency in characters, clothing, and environments across scenes. Look at how seamlessly ChatGPT maintains continuity. This level of consistency would take hours of careful work in traditional animation, but ChatGPT handles it automatically. The characters' appearances, clothing, and even room details remain consistent from shot to shot. As you progress through your scenes, you'll notice how ChatGPT adapts lighting, perspective, and emotion to match the evolving narrative. This makes your story feel more alive and cinematic. If a scene feels off or needs tweaking, simply adjust the prompt slightly. ChatGPT's responsiveness lets you iterate quickly without starting from scratch. Now for the exciting part, transforming static images into dynamic animations. There are several tools for this, but Clean AI and Runway ML are particularly effective. Let's focus on Clean AI first. Head to Clean AI and click Upload Image. For each image, you'll need an animation prompt. Fortunately, our animation script builder has already generated these image-to-video prompts for each shot 15. Copy the prompt from your script, paste it into Clean AI, and make any necessary adjustments. You might want to add camera movements like camera slowly zooming in to create more dynamic animations. Clean AI offers different model versions. Clean 1.6 works well for most scenes and uses fewer credits, while Clean 2.0 excels with fast motion or complex movements. For standard scenes without rapid action, Clean 1.6 is usually sufficient. Click Generate and watch as your still image transforms into a smooth animation. With just a few clicks, your static characters begin to move naturally, with subtle environmental effects adding depth to your scene. To make your characters truly come alive, you need dialogue with proper lip synchronization. First, generate audio for your dialogue. Your script already contains the exact lines each character speaks. Copy these lines and head to a text-to-speech service like 11 Labs, which offers natural-sounding voices that can bring your characters to life 1919. For lip syncing, both Clean AI and Runway ML offer solutions. In Clean AI, select your animated scene, click the lip sync option, upload your audio file, and generate. The AI will detect faces in your animation and sync mouth movements to match your audio. Runway ML's Act 1 feature offers even more natural lip sync. Upload your animated scene, click on Act 1, and either record yourself performing the dialogue or upload a pre-recorded video of someone speaking. The AI transfers those expressions and mouth movements to your animated character with remarkable accuracy. 18. Watch how natural that lip sync looks. The character isn't just opening and closing their mouth randomly, they're forming shapes that match specific sounds in the dialogue. With all your animated scenes and synchronized dialogue ready, it's time for final assembly. You can use any video editing software, but CapCut offers a free, user-friendly option that works well for this purpose. Import all your animated scenes and arrange them according to your script. Trim unwanted sections and adjust timing for smooth transitions between scenes. For stylistic variations, try different prompts like make it Japan anime style, make it puppet style, or make it cyberpunk when generating your images. These style variations can give your animation a unique aesthetic. For more dynamic character animations, Runway ML's Gen 4 offers superior capabilities, especially for complex movements and expressions. Though it offers fewer free credits than Clean AI, the quality difference can be worth it for critical scenes. When working with ChatGPT's image generation, adding descriptors like 4K, ultra-detailed cinematic lighting to your prompts can significantly enhance image quality without requiring you to memorize every technical term. For transparent backgrounds in your character designs, which can be useful when compositing scenes, use the transparent background option in GPT-4o image generation. This works great for creating characters you can easily place in different environments. So first, you write your script using the Animation Script Builder GPT, which lays the foundation for your entire project. Next, you generate consistent character images using ChatGPT's latest image model to ensure they look the same across every scene. Then, you create scene-by-scene visuals with ChatGPT helping maintain consistency in characters, environments, and camera angles. Once your images are ready, you animate them using tools like Clean AI or Runway ML to bring your story to life. After that, you add lip sync and voiceovers to match the dialogue from your script. Finally, you edit everything together, adding music and sound design to polish the final product. The result? A professional-looking animation that would have taken weeks or even months using traditional tools, all done in a fraction of the time. And with AI evolving so fast, the results will only get better from here. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Drop a comment letting me know what kind of animation you're planning to create. I'd love to see what you come up with.